Wait! Don't skip this video. I promise you're about to see something absolutely insane. Today, I created a cat versus Joker animation. And not just any animation. This is one of the most trending, eye-catching, and highly engaging videos out there right now. You won't believe how good the visuals look. From the lighting to the character design, every second is packed with quality. Just watch closely. Wow! The resolution? Crystal clear. The animations? Smooth and stunning. The colors? Bright and beautifully balanced. Now, here's what I want you to do. Open YouTube and search AI Byte Studio. It already has 1.39 million subscribers and over 164 amazing videos. Once you're there, scroll down just a little and look for the video with the Joker and the cat. Found it? Great. Now hit play. Let the magic begin. Clip 1. Jaw-dropping action. Clip 2. Even more intense. Clip 3, 4, and 5. Back-to-back cinematic scenes you'll want to watch again. One by one, you can feel the quality getting better, the animation getting sharper, and the scenes getting more emotional and entertaining. This isn't just a video, it's a full-on experience. Now that you've seen it all, let's move to the next step. Alright, step 1, let's go. First things first, open up ChatGPT. Now, one by one, start uploading your screenshots. Just drag and drop each image, no rush. Screenshot 1, uploaded. Screenshot 2, done. Screenshot 3, 4, 5, keep going till they're all in. Now in the message box, type this. Give me a detailed prompt of these pics in Pixar style 3D. Then hit enter. And now, boom! Wow, you're not ready for this. One by one, every single prompt gets generated. Fully detailed, super creative, and 100% Pixar style magic. Just take a second and look at the results. The characters? Absolutely stunning. The scenes? Full of emotion and energy. The lighting? It's like you're in a Pixar movie. These prompts are not basic. They are cinematic, high-definition, AI-ready, and bursting with creativity. Copy the first prompt, just the one you love the most. Got it? Great. Alright, step 3. Now it's time to turn your prompts into real magic. Go to the website, Piclumen.com. Yes, this one's totally free. It's a powerful AI tool that turns your text prompts into HD images, instantly. Once you're in, click on the text to image section. Now hit the free generate button. Don't worry, no sign up, no payment, no limits. Next, choose the 16:9 ratio, perfect for YouTube and Shorts. Now take your first Pixar style prompt, the one you copied from ChatGPT, paste it in, and boom! Wow! Look at this image. Ultra clean, full 3D detail, character style on point. But we're not done. Go back and do the same with the rest. Upload prompt 2, wait, done. Prompt 3, 4, 5, 6. Just keep going. One by one, let it generate. Wait just a few seconds each time. And now, boom again. All your Pixar style images are done. Just take a look. Scroll through every image. 4K resolution, check. Pixar character quality, check. Background, lighting, everything, perfection. These are not just images, these are movie-level stills, ready for your next AI video. Now go ahead, download all images one by one, save them neatly. Because next, we're going to move into the most important part. The most important step, video creation step. Alright, let's jump into step 4. And trust me, this is where the real magic begins. Head straight to the website, digin.ai, and wow. The moment you land here, you'll see why it's blowing up everywhere right now. This isn't just any AI tool. This is a viral animation generator that people are using to create full-on Pixar-style videos in minutes. First thing I did? I scrolled through their homepage, uploaded images, already looking amazing. But then, I saw the videos, I stopped, I clicked, and boom! I was speechless. The animation quality? Smooth, clean, full of expression, like scenes from an animated movie. Now let me walk you through the steps. Follow along carefully. First, Create button is top right. It'll ask you to log in using your Gmail. Go ahead and do it. Once you're inside, boom! You've unlocked the creative goldmine. The best part? Digin gives you 420 free credits every single day. Yes, every day. And guess what? One video only costs 30 credits to make. That means you can create up to 14 full animated videos daily. Completely free. Insane, right? Now let's start creating. Click on the Create option. Upload your first image, the one you generated earlier in Pixar style. Done? Great. Now in the prompt box, write something fun and simple like Joker is laughing while the cat brings him a magic gift, etc. in your choice. Click Generate Video. Now wait for around 4 or 5 minutes. Yes, it takes just a few minutes to create full animation. But don't just sit there. Upload your second image right away. Add another creative prompt like something same, click Generate again. Boom! Now 2 videos are generating at once. The third one might have to wait in queue. That's totally fine. And then, oh my God, you get the notification. First video, ready. Second video, done. You click, and just like that, boom! The results, crystal clear animation, eye-powered motion, Pixar-style lighting, and effects smooth camera transitions. Honestly, it looks like a full production studio made this. Now, repeat the process. Upload image. 3. Add another fun or dramatic prompt. Generate, repeat for image 4, 5, 6, and so on. Each one gets processed with amazing consistency and flow. The characters stay sharp, the action stays clean, and the storytelling, it just keeps getting better. Download each one, save them properly. Because now, it's time to move to the final step. It's time for the final step. Open up CapCut. Yes, the free video editor that makes everything so simple. First, upload all your generated videos. One by one, drag them into the timeline in the right sequence. Clip 1, Clip 2, Clip 3, boom. Your full animated story is coming together. Now, check carefully. Tap on each video and use the scale option to zoom in just enough to remove the watermark or logo from the corner. Clean and smooth, now your video looks professional. Watch the full timeline. Everything should be in perfect sequence. No gaps, no glitches. Next up, let's add some transitions between each scene. Use Smooth Dissolve, Slide, or Cinematic Fade. Keep it clean and flowing. And finally, the grand moment. Tap on Export. Set your resolution to 2K and frame rate to 60 FPS for that ultra-smooth, high-quality finish. Now, hit that Export button and boom! Your full Pixar-style animated video is done. High quality, fully animated, AI-powered, and made 100% by you. Congratulations! You just created an epic animated video from scratch, and you didn't need any expensive tools or professional software. If you found this guide helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials and AI video hacks. Thanks for watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you. See you in the next video.